What's going on, YouTube family? This is your boy Chef Timmy Jay, and today I tell you what, I will never buy jarred salsa verde again. Today I've got a game changer for you folks. We're gonna make some fresh salsa verde. Easy ingredients that I found around the house: a few jalapeños, some red onion, some tomatillos, cilantro, garlic, and a little bit of Knorr's Bouillon. That's the hack right there, that Knorr's Bouillon. But if you'll stay tuned, we will definitely get to cooking. Also, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right there. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I am trying to get to 100 subscribers and I definitely need your help. But this is your boy Chef Timmy Jay, and we're gonna get to cooking. So let's get busy, folks. Okay, YouTube family, so here are our ingredients. Today we've got that fresh chopped up, rough chopped red onions. We'll definitely need that. We've also got about 3 jalapeno peppers. I've already washed and cleaned those jalapeno peppers. We'll definitely use those. And then of course we've got our 6 tomatillos. These tomatillos, I will go ahead and peel off the skin and wash those, but these tomatillos are amazing and we will definitely need those. And then over to the side, we've got our fresh garlic. I've taken 2 cloves of garlic, chopped them up, put them in a bowl, and this is going to be really good. And then of course our cilantro. I love cilantro. It's very fresh. It's really good. So that cilantro. And then let's not leave out the star of the show, folks, which is going to be our Knorr's. If you have never bought Knorr's Bouillon, you definitely want to try it out. It's a game changer. You can make soups, all kinds of different things with that Knorr's. It's really good. And then last, don't let me leave out the star of the show, which is our Ninja blender, folks. That's right, our Ninja blender, which is here. So sit there, stay with me, and we'll go ahead and get to cooking. All right, YouTube family, so I've got you inside of our Ninja blender, and what I'm going to do now is I have halved up. I've taken the tomatillos, cut them in half, and I'm going to start putting them into our Ninja blender. The thing about this Ninja blender is not just any Ninja blender. This is the professional 1000 watt, so these blades, they can definitely cut really sharp, YouTube. So that's the first thing we're doing, is we've added in our tomatillos, 6 tomatillos, half of those. And then the next thing we will do is we will go ahead and add in, I want the heat, I want the jalapenos. What I'm doing is grabbing a knife, and I don't need to show you this, but I'm gonna cut up the jalapenos, just rough chopping them, because we're gonna throw those jalapenos in our blender. And so there's some jalapeno. We're putting that inside here. And then here's the other jalapeno. Let me slice that up really quickly. And YouTube, when you homemade natural salsa verde, it is so much better than if you do store-bought. All that store-bought stuff has different chemical, foreign ingredients. You can have all kind of health conditions. It's pretty sad that nowadays you can't really trust the food industry market. So you just need to be very selective and just be careful. But of course, when you do it naturally, the way I'm showing you here, oh man, you can have fun with your food. It tastes good. It's not gonna hurt your body or anything like that. So what I've done, I went ahead and I chopped up the 3 jalapeno peppers that's now inside of our Ninja Foodie. I'm putting more of these hot peppers inside because, folks, I like it hot. You may not like it hot. If you don't like it hot, then do not add to your salsa verde. But I like it, so I'm gonna add it. I'm just cleaning off my counter here for a second. And so next I'm going to add the red onions. I've chopped up some red onions and I'm going to dump all of those onions down inside, folks. I'm just dumping it all down inside. Yeah, definitely, that looks good. Got those onions dump down inside those red onions. I really just rough chopped it. So that's all you need to do is just rough chop it. Next, I'm going to put in our garlic. So I'm taking the garlic, dumping my garlic all down inside, making sure that garlic is there. Boom, garlic's definitely in. Next ingredient, folks, we're gonna go ahead and add in our cilantro. So I'm taking the cilantro, putting our cilantro down inside. Looks really well. Got all that beautiful green color, folks. All that beautiful green color. Now, what I'm going to do is after I've added the cilantro, I want to add a tablespoon of olive oil. Always add the olive oil. It helps bind everything together. So I'm pouring in olive oil. Olive oil's definitely in there. So, boom, olive oil's in. After I've added my olive oil, then you have to do the star of the show, folks, which is this Knorr seasoning. So we're gonna take the Knorrs, we're gonna pour it all in there. Boom, the Knorrs is in. And then of course, what I've done is I've taken a quarter cup of water, just a quarter cup of water, and I'm gonna pour that water in here, folks. You just need a little bit of liquid so everything won't be so stuck together, but just a quarter cup of water is all we need. Boom, we're done there. And then folks, I'll close this up. I'll get this blended together. I'll show you what it looks like when it's blended. And so just stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right, YouTube, so we're gonna go ahead and I've already turned the power on. And what we need to do is actually, we need to pulse, definitely pulse this. So here's the pulse button. And I'm going to pulse this, so I'm going to move my camera so you guys can see inside. I've got all of those food items inside here, and let us go ahead and start pulsing. That's definitely what you want, folks. We have pulsed it really well. You don't want to necessarily puree it. I'm going to move the camera up here, and let's see if we can open this up so we can take a look. Here's that shot inside. So that's definitely the consistency that we want, folks, blended up inside here. So I'll get this plated up and then we'll sample, and I'm telling you, this is a game changer, folks. All right, so here we are, YouTube. We've got our tortillas. If you haven't tried the late June tortillas, I believe it's late June, maybe called late July tortilla chips, but they are really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour our fresh salsa verde all inside of this bowl that I have. Boom. And just look at that, ladies and gentlemen, YouTube family. OMG. That is what you want. And so we're gonna test this out. Let me take one of these tortillas, dip it in. Woo, yeah. This is fresh salsa verde. Really good. You can pair this with any kind of meat dish or just eat it plain like you want it, but it's really fun, really easy to do. YouTube, that bite's for you. Go ahead, that's your bite. And now I'm going in, trying not to make a mess. I'm going in. Again, YouTube, this is fresh salsa verde. Please, family, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you share this video. And again, I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers, YouTube. I've got to take this one last bite. Oh, it's so good. I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in. That's a winner, YouTube. Chef Timmy Jay. Look to see you on the next one. Peace.